Hey, today I have a change lock for you guys, and it's a very cool and interesting one. It's a collaboration lock by LockPicking Patrolman and Bacardi. And this log was sent to me by K1Lock. K1Lock, thank you very much for sending it to me. K1Locks. This was the package, the back collaboration from LockPicking Patrolman and Bacardi. And this padlock is very nice padlock. Let me show it to you. It's an ABUS 83AL 45mm on both sides, and it's working very nice, very strong spring. And we can, if I pick it, I will disassemble it. And here's the key and the bitting. It's a 6-pin lock. It's not Bacardi bitting, but it's close by. Too long here and there and too short in the middle. So yeah, let's put it back in the vise and try to pick it. And hopefully I'll prepare two picks, one pick, and because there is a big keyway, it's pretty interesting one, and it's a big open keyway, and I hope with this tension tool and my standard force diamond I will try to pick it like that. If not, I will probably grab the deeper hook. Yeah, so let's start picking this one. Hopefully I'm going to be in focus. So yeah, let's start. One click. Oh, and at once I'm in with that pin. I'm already in deeper faucet. 2 nothing, 3 it's binding, multiple clicks, 4 nothing, 5 counter rotation, couple of clicks. I don't know if that was a 5 or that was a 6. Let me go from 1, 2 nothing, 3 nothing. Now 4, couple of clicks, and again I'm in deeper faucet. So let me find pin 5. Nothing. I think now it's pin number 2. No. Pin 3. No. Pin 4. Couple clicks. 3 nothing. 4 nothing. 5. 5. Oh, counter rotation and big click. Now 4 is back again. Now I don't know. 1, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4, 5 and 6. I don't know. I don't know if it's a 5-pin or 6-pin lock. Now 3 counter rotation, 2, 4. I lost my faucet. No, I got it back. I probably overset something. So let's start. 1 nothing, 2 click from 2, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5. Yes, 5, and we're open. Ooh, interesting one. Very interesting one. Let me put it here, and I think, let me rearrange a bit. I got this big pinning tray from K1Locks, and here's the key. So I'll try my best to disassemble this one. So nothing is done on the body. Here's the core. So let me give you a close-up. So one is serrated, not serrated. Man, I forgot again how it's called. The second one is countermilled, third one countermilled, fourth one serrated, not serrated, fifth one countermilled, and sixth one is come on, focus. Pretty nice, pretty nicely done the core. And here's the pins. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a bit, the lighting is a bit strange, but the first one is serrated, the second one keeping serrated, third one standard, fourth one standard, fifth one standard, sixth one serrated. First driver it's a standard, second one it's a spool, third one it's a chest piece. Pretty nice one. Serrated, spool with serration. I don't know if you can see. Spool with the small serrations, but these pins are very nicely done. Very nice pins. So guys, that was the collaboration lock from LockPicking Patrolman and Bill Bacardi. K1 Locks, thank you very much for sending this one to me, and thanks for the pinning tray. And guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.